Roger, grab me.
I need prayers. Steven's gotta go first, y'all.
Why am I going first?
In case I puke.
Roger, pass me a beer.
Okay, do we have milk?
Just bite it. Just throw the whole thing in your mouth and just.
Alright,
See, if he does that,
I'm waiting on the milk.
What do you want?
I'm not watching it.
Waiting on the milk.
Like, we gotta wait 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes to get you guys. 2 minutes. It just builds the anticipation. Come on. It just builds the anticipation.
Are you recording?
Joey's eating the whole
I am
thing, so I'm
recording,
gonna...
man. I'm gonna cut it eventually, you know.
Cut that now and put that shit back on.
Dude.
You got 2 minutes, dude.
I see you stressing. I need to get this on. I need to get this on video.
I have to wear gloves because this thing's so hot.
Don't do it. Let me clean this table.
I have to wear gloves. This thing's so hot.
Nah, the sixth hottest one in the world fucking burned my fucking finger. Yo, someone should FaceTime Bethany. Yes. Yes.
Someone should FaceTime Gina.
It's a great.
Fucking FaceTime Bethany this shit.
Well, get her up there.
I'm about to do it.
Friend.
I'm watching Joey die.
Hold up.
Here we go.
What's Sam? You're not eating it?
Come on.
I'm eating,
Alright,
I'm eating the
I'm
small
about to
little
eat it.
nub.
Look at everyone I got around. Look at everyone.
Hey, Bethany.
Alright. Someone hold that.
Joey,
Hold that face of
is
it.
about to eat a Carolina Reaper, the hottest pepper in the world.
Do it, Joey.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Let's see it.
Oh my God, you were.
He actually, it's in his mouth. What?
Oh my God.
Wow.
Open your mouth. Oh my God.
Wow.
Holy shit, dude. I love how you looked at me, Joey. Like, why did I do this? Why did you let me do this, Austin?
Oh.
No. Let it sit. I mean,
Enjoy it. Take a moment with it.
Yeah.
Don't waste
The
it.
hot?
just take a deep breath.
Yeah, you did.
I don't want to be a projectile bottle.
Yeah, true. Give us some lemons.
How hot is it, dude?
Your face is white.
How hot is it? Is that
Pretty
hot?
fucking hot.
I'm surprised you can talk right now.
He's gonna do the whole. He's gonna do the whole gallon challenge.
Yeah.
If you could keep
If you drink a gallon of milk, you're gonna puke. Joey, you're the man.
Oh, I can't believe you're holding it down.
This is impressive. Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Joey is a pepperhead. Go over the garbage can.
I know, you look like you're
He looks like he's about to let it go.
doing an episode of this.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, don't do it, dude. Don't do it.
It's gonna be hotter coming back up.
You gotta re-eat it.
This face, man, it's like turning blood red right now. How hot is it, man? Can you hear? Like, is it?
Is it getting hotter? Is it getting hotter?
Are you getting like Chucky Boo Boo? Never again! Never again!
Dude, look at his eyes, man.
Is it getting hotter?
Is it getting hotter and hotter? He's like, he's so confused.
I know.
He's like, I
Where
don't
am I? What day is it? Is Mom picking me up from
Hey,
school?
Caleb needs a count. He needs it all day.
Hey, Joey, you eating all day?
I gotta record next week too. I'm sorry.
Oh, there comes the milk.
Oh, man. Let it all out.
So should we have driven Joey home? Keep it down, buddy.
Sandy, you're next.
Here's holding.
Fuck that.
That's fucked up. I'm still trying to play, though. Come on.
Still
All
trying to
over on his face.
Oh man.
Oh, dude, I
Dude, your face
feel
just
so
got
bad.
bright red. Oh, it's probably gonna be cute.
I feel so bad for him.
Face gonna get red.
Thanks, Captain Obvious.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Is it calming down?
Is it still really hot?
Yes, Gabe.
Come on, tell us how
Yes,
it is. Tell us how it is. Tell us details.
Why don't you take a little nibble?
Why don't you fucking eat it and tell me how hot it is?
I like my observing.
Is it still getting hotter?
Yes!
It gets hot.
Dude, it gets
Did you eat
hotter?
the whole thing?
Yeah, he ate the whole thing.
Apparently it grows. Like it's hot as shit, and then it's just like hotter.
I need a towel. Someone give me a towel.
Hey, no
My
towel.
tongue doesn't work anymore. He's like,
I was about to say I would, but I can't miss anything.
I know.
Someone's popping.
Bethany, are you proud of your boyfriend?
Yeah, sure.
yeah.
She's like, we're over.
She's like, he's retarded.
Can you feel your face?
Joey, you just earned yourself 2 beers. How does it feel?
Can this go on YouTube? Or is this helping on YouTube?
Yeah.
It's going on YouTube.
Yeah.
I like how he declares it is going on YouTube.
It's on YouTube.
Can we redo this and make it a lot more dramatic? Like just start throwing up all over the bar and throwing bottles?
Yeah, can you do a second one? And then just like projectile everywhere?
Find another one right now. Just find some more right now. That'll make it a little more.
Let's do a second one.
See, Spencer's face is like,
I bet you won't. I bet you won't. I'll give you $5 right now. 5 big ones.
Oh, a whole $5.
A whole $5. That's 500 pennies.
Yeah. No,
I don't think you'll do it.
Freddie,
I'm not
you're next,
eating
buddy.
No,
No.
I can't handle the peach scorpion, man. I'm not.
He's-
how did it taste? Was it flavor good? Was it sweet? Was it sour? Did it just burn really, really bad?
I think it burned.